Hey everyone, Jon Corra here, Marketing Director for McClinton Mitsubishi, and it is very hazy out. And unfortunately, this isn't the lavender haze that Taylor Swift sings about. This is wildfire smoke from Canada. So a lot of people are concerned about air quality here in the Mid-Ohio Valley and really in a lot of the country right now. But one thing you can do to improve the air quality in your vehicle, like my 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, is replace your cabin air filter with an official Mitsubishi brand cabin air filter. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do right now. So let's get started. All right, so this is super simple. You can easily do this yourself or bring it to our certified Mitsubishi service center. But all you have to do is first open your glove box. Hopefully yours is cleaner than mine. Now on the right side over here, there's a little damper that you just want to unlatch. And I'll insert a video of me doing that. Then you want to squeeze your squeeze the sides of the glove box. Now all my stuff just fell out. Probably should clean it out first. Right here, this white apparatus, that's where your cabin air filter is. Essentially, a cabin air filter helps purify the air in your car. There are tabs on either side of this. All you have to do is just reach in and pull those. And this is the air filter. You just pull it out. You see mine is not the worst in the world, but it's a little dirty. And I'll show you compared to a new one here. So that's new versus old. You can tell there's quite a bit of difference there. I do take my car off-roading quite a bit and it gets a lot of dust through the vehicle. So that's one of the reasons why mine's so dirty. You just slip that back in there. You reattach the cover. And that's pretty much it. You reinstall the damper, close the glove box, and you're good to go. And that's all you have to do to change your cabin air filter. If you aren't comfortable doing it yourself, or if your vehicle is a little bit more complex than mine, be sure to take it to a certified service center like ours. These off the shelf are like just under 20 bucks, and it does a lot to help keep your cabin air clean. Also, with these wildfires going on, you definitely want to keep your interior want to recirculate for your HVAC controls, especially like right now. It's June, it's very hot. A lot of you are using air conditioning, so there's a few things you can do right now to help the air quality inside your vehicle. If you have questions, give us a call, 304-422-6501. Check us out online, McClintonMitsubishi.com.